This video will guide you through the steps necessary to ensure a perfect fit for your new Viking touring hard trunk. Follow these steps to properly secure your bag and you'll be ready to ride. The touring hard trunk is pictured here with the Baggers Touring Saddlebags for maximum storage style. In addition to the Viking hard trunk, we provide universal mounting kits to allow secure and easy installation of the bags with most luggage racks on the market. Included in your trunk are the following: touring hard trunk, 4 hex head bolts with nuts, 8 washers, 2 flat interior mounting plates, 2 exterior mounting plates with raised edges, 2 keys for your lockable hard trunk. In addition to the included kit, we recommend the following tools to complete your installation: combination hex wrench, socket wrench, drill. The hard trunk can be installed without these brackets when replacing an existing trunk. Place the Viking hard trunk on top of the luggage rack and ensure that the trunk is centered on top of the rack. With the trunk in position, use paint or a marker to mark the position of the mounting holes in the luggage rack onto the bottom of the hard trunk. These points will be used to bolt on the trunk to the motorcycle. Move the hard trunk to a working table and use the appropriate drill bit to drill holes at the 4 marked points. Ensure that the mounting bolts pass through the holes without making the holes too wide. Place the trunk back on the luggage rack and align the drilled holes with the holes in the luggage rack. Once aligned, from inside, pass the mounting bolt through a spacer, then through the drilled hole, then the mounting hole in the luggage rack, and then another washer and tighten. Repeat for the remaining 3 holes. For universal luggage racks without specific trunk mounting holes, use the universal mounting kit provided with the Viking hard trunk. To use the universal mounting kit, place the provided U-bar under the luggage rack so it aligns with the drilled holes. Place a corresponding flat plate inside the bag and align it with the holes. Once in position, pass the supplied bolts through the flat plate, through the holes in the bottom of the trunk, through the luggage rack, and finally through the U-bar. Tighten the bolt securely using the provided nut. Repeat the process for the other pair of drilled holes. Ensure that all bolts are tight and the bag is mounted securely. We recommend that you use blue Loctite to keep the bolts from becoming loose over time. Your touring hard trunk is now mounted and you're ready to ride.